morning, dear students. Welcome in Sanskar Science Academy online classes. In last class, we discussed about plastic. Now, today we discuss about types of plastic. So previously, I told you that plastic is divided into three types, or three types of plastic are found in plants. Three types of plastic are found in plants. Number one, leucoplast. I told you leucoplast is a colorless plastic, and especially store their food in the different form in plants. Especially when leucoplast store the food in the form of starch, it is known as amyloplast. When it store the food in the form of oil or lipid, it is also known as elioplast. And when it resolve the protein, it is known as alluroplast. Second type of plastic is chromoplast. Chromoplast is a pigmented and colored plastic, so it provides different color of plants, especially red, yellow, but not green, because green color is provided by chloroplast. Chromoplast helps into pollination due to attractive colors. Actually, it provides a different color of plants, so insect attract toward the plants and helps into pollination. Then third type of plastic is chloroplast, and the term chloroplast was given by or coined by Schimper. So Schimper coined the term chloroplast. This chloroplast provides green color and helps into photosynthesis. So leaves of plant are green due to presence of a chloroplast. Especially in lower plant like algae, only one chloroplast is present in its cell, but in higher plant like bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, angiosperm, the cells contain many number of chloroplasts like 20 to 40. It is found in the plant in the different shape or size, especially in Chlamydomonas algae. It is cup-like. In Spirogyra, ribbon-like, and Zygmina in star shape. Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, and Zygmina all are algae. So here is a new point. What is algae? Algae क्या है? शैवाल क्या है? So algae are plants, but they are not differentiated into root, stem or leaf. It means इसमें root, stem और leaves क्या होता है? Absent होते हैं, और ऐसी body के लिए हम एक word use करते हैं hairs. So algae are hairy plant and without root, stem or leaves. Now we discuss about structure. Structure of a chloroplast. So chloroplast is a double membranous cell organism. So it has double membrane. It is outer membrane and inner membrane. Between two membranes, a space is present which is known as interplastidial space. Central part of chloroplast is divided into two parts. So central part of chloroplast is divided into two parts. One is grana and second is stroma. First part is grana and second part is stroma. Especially grana is made up by different plate-like structure. So this part is known as grana, and grana is made up of different plate-like structure, and this plate-like structure is known as thylakoids. So it is a thylakoids. Thus I can say structure and function of granum is thylakoids. Especially photosynthesis process is complete in two parts. One is light reaction and second is dark reaction. So light reaction occurs in thylakoids. जो भी फोटोसिंथेसिस की लाइट रिएक्शन होती है वो कहाँ पर होती है? थाइलेकोइड्स में, स्पेशली जस्ट आई कैन से इन ग्रेनम पार्ट और ग्रेना में होती है. इन ग्रेनम और थाइलेकोइड्स a special granules is present which is known as quantasome, and quantasome has many pigment. It means quantasome में बहुत सारे क्या होते हैं? Pigment होते हैं, like chlorophyll which provide green color, xanthophyll which provide yellow color. So many pigments are found in quantasome, and the size of quantasome approx 25 to 70 angstrom. Second part of chloroplast is known as stroma, and dark reaction of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis की dark shell occurs in or complete in stroma part. In stroma, many lipid molecules are found. Lipid granules are found. And a special DNA is also found in the stroma part, which is known as plastidome. Some ribosomes are also found in stroma, and there are 70s types of ribosomes. Especially in eukaryotic cells, 80s type of ribosomes are present, but in chloroplast, stroma part of the chloroplast, these are 70s types, because ribosomes are two types, 70s or 80s. 70s type of ribosome present in prokaryotic cell, and 80s type of ribosome is present in eukaryotic cell. I repeat, chloroplast is a double membrane cell organism. So outer membrane and inner membrane, space between two membrane is known as interplastidial space. Total chloroplast is divided into two parts. One part is grana and second part is stroma. What is the main function of grana? Especially light reaction of photosynthesis is occurs or complete in granum part. Granum is made up by different plate-like structure which are known as thylakoids, and its thylakoids contain a special granule which is known as quantasome, and quantasome has different type of pigments like chlorophylls, xanthophylls, phycocyanin, phycoerythrin, phycobilins. So different type of pigments are found in quantasome. Next part is stroma. Stroma has lipid molecules, a special type of DNA which is known as plastidome, and 70S type of ribosome. Dark reaction of photosynthesis is found in stroma. So it is complete structure of chloroplast. Now next point is chemical composition of chloroplast. It means chloroplast में कौन-कौन से chemicals, organic और inorganic, especially organic chemicals present होते हैं, उसके बारे में हमें discussion करनी है. So next point is chemical composition. में कौन कौन से केमिकल्स स्पेशली प्रेजेंट होते हैं? सो स्पेशली फर्स्ट केमिकल और ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इज प्रोटीन एंड अमाउंट इज अप्रॉक्सिमेट 40 to 80%. तो जैसा I can say maximum protein is present in chloroplast. Second part is lipid. Just I told you that lipid granules are found in stomach part. Second is lipid and amount of lipid approx 23 to 25%. Next some amount of RNA. What is the full form of RNA? Ribonucleic acid, and RNA is present in 4%. Then after chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment and amount is approximately 1 to 2%. Then DNA and amount of DNA is approximately 0.08%. So it is chemical composition of chloroplast. I repeat, chemical composition of chloroplast: protein 40 to 80%, lipid 23 to 25%, RNA 4%, DNA 0.08%, and chlorophyll 1 to 2%. And different inorganic elements are also found in chloroplast like iron, Fe, zinc, Cu, copper, iron, zinc, copper, magnesium or manganese. Especially magnesium is a main component of a chlorophyll. In the absence of magnesium, plants become different colored. It means green color क्या हो जाता है, lapse हो जाता है, और due to absence of green color, photosynthesis capacity of plant become reduced, यानी वो क्या हो जाती है, कम हो जाती है. So magnesium का होना, magnesium is very compulsory for plant or formation of chlorophyll. So it helps into photosynthesis. Without magnesium, plant has a special disease which is known as chlorosis. In the chlorosis, magnesium amount become reduced and plant का जो कलर्स होते हैं वो डिफरेंट कलर हो जाते हैं, विदाउट ग्रीन कलर हो जाते हैं. ऐसी कंडीशन में फोटोसिंथेसिस कैपेसिटी की क्या हो जाती है, कम हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ chloroplast? So we discussed the function of chloroplast in next class or next. Thanks.